The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is packed with features that can elevate your smartphone experience. Let's dive into some tips and tricks that will help you unlock the full potential of this powerhouse device. First off, let's talk about the camera. The S24 Ultra boasts an incredible 200-megapixel sensor. To make the most of it, try using Pro mode. This allows you to manually adjust settings like ISO, shutter speed, and white balance, giving you more control over your shots. If you're shooting in low light, enable night mode. It uses advanced algorithms to brighten your photos while maintaining detail, so you can capture stunning images even in the dark. Now, let's explore the display. The S24 Ultra features a dynamic AMOLED 2X screen, which is not only vibrant but also adaptive. To save battery life, go into your settings and adjust the refresh rate. Switching from 120 Hz to 60 Hz can significantly extend your battery life during everyday tasks. And don't forget about the Eye Comfort Shield. This feature automatically adjusts the blue light emitted by your screen, reducing eye strain, especially during late-night scrolling. Speaking of battery life, the S24 Ultra has a massive 5,000 mAh battery. To optimize its longevity, enable power-saving mode. This feature limits background activity and reduces screen brightness, allowing you to stretch your battery life even further. You can also check the battery usage section in settings to see which apps are draining your battery the most and adjust your usage accordingly. Let's not overlook the S Pen, which is a game changer. You can use it for more than just taking notes. Try using Air Actions to control your phone remotely. For instance, you can take photos or navigate through presentations with just a flick of the pen. It's a great way to impress your friends or colleagues during a meeting. Another hidden gem is the split-screen multitasking feature. To use it, simply swipe up from the bottom to access your recent apps, then tap and hold the app you want to use. Drag it to the top of the screen, and then select another app to fill the bottom half. This is perfect for watching videos while texting or browsing the web. For those who love customization, dive into the Good Lock app. It allows you to personalize your phone's interface in ways you never thought possible. You can change the layout of your notifications, customize your lock screen, and even tweak the quick settings panel. It's a fantastic way to make your device truly yours. Lastly, let's talk about security. The S24 Ultra offers advanced biometric options. Use the under-display fingerprint scanner for quick access, but also consider setting up facial recognition for added convenience. Just remember to enable the Require Open Eyes feature for added security, ensuring that your phone doesn't unlock while you're asleep. These tips and tricks can help you navigate the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra like a pro. With its powerful features and customizable options, you can tailor your experience to fit your lifestyle. Enjoy exploring all that this incredible device has to offer.